I think I've said that so many times. There's not just one source of energy that can substitute oil and gas. The most common renewable energy sources, both of those, wind and solar, are intermittent. So they are not giving energy continuously. So we also need to know exactly in detail when is this energy coming. That is the data that we need to collect and analyze. So we can identify the patterns. By 2040, all electricity in Michigan will have to be 100% renewable. That means that there is a lot of solar being installed by the utilities right now. So driving through Michigan, I see so many solar parks. But what is the difference in the amount of light we get in a day that is raining, in a summer storm, versus in a day there's snowing, in a winter storm? What is the pattern that we are seeing across the months or across the years? There's also be right there at the moment reaction to something that happens. So just recently, we had a big lake effect snowstorm across Michigan. They happen very quickly, and we need to identify that immediately so we can maybe put a peaker plant that runs on gas so we can turn that on. So we don't have people going dark. This transitioning away from fossil fuels, there's more complexity that comes into the system. Having access to real-time data, it's actually a very important point in energy security, because that's what's going to ensure that we have the energy that we need in practice and moving away from fossil fuels at the same time.